72? 72, oh, there's no label, so just 72. So you did 6 times 12. All right, number 2 is a little tricky. Is this diagonal, how long is the diagonal across? So this piece is 16, right? This is the tricky one. Yeah, it's the 30, so it'd be 32. Okay, so area equals 1/2 times 32. And the other one, up and down. 18. So times 18. So what's 1/2 times 32 times 18? 288. There we go. All right, the next one. Yeah.
I forget. How do we get it to 32? The thing to 32 and 18.
What do you mean? Oh, how'd I get to 32? I added 16 plus 16. So this side is 16, and this is 16, so I add them together to get the whole thing.
That's how it is.
Great question. Okay, the next one, the area of a parallelogram is 27 square meters. So the area is 27, and we need to find the height. So what would my equation look like? Equals 3h, good. So then I just divide both sides by 3. So my height is going to be, what's 27 divided by 3? 9 what? Just meters, since we're finding the height. Good thought, though. 9 meters. Okay. Questions on 1 through 3? Like I told you guys yesterday, you will get, you'll make a cheat sheet with the formulas for your test. So it will help you. Okay. Moving on. We're finding the area of trapezoids. This is a little tricky too. We have lots of numbers coming our way. Did you guys get this formula? We wrote this formula down? Are we sure? What'd you get? 135 centimeters squared. Did anyone else get that?
Yep.
Questions on how I did that?
I'll put the whole thing in there.
You did? That works. Yep. All right, for number 2, I'm going to keep going unless you guys stop me, okay? So, what are my bases in example 2? What's my numbers for my bases? 6 and 10. Those are my bases. What's my height? 7 is my height. So, my area is going to be 1/2 times 7 times 6 plus 10. Okay? You can either type it directly in your calculator or solve what's inside the parentheses first. Okay, so what is my answer? 56. Did somebody else get that?
Yeah.
That looks right. 56 what? Inches squared. Very good. Any questions? Am I moving too fast? No? Okay. All right, what are my bases in example 3? What's 17 is a base and 11 is a base. 8 is my height. Okay, so area equals 1/2 times 8 times 11 plus 17. Okay. So area equals 1/2 times 8 times 28. What do you guys get? Did other people get that? Okay. We know the area, right? Let me write my formula at the top. Area equals 1/2 times the height times base 1 plus base 2. So my area in the first one we know. It's going to be 18. What does 18 equal? What do I put? Hold on. Area
Oh, 1/2.
equals 1/2 times. Do we know the height?
No.
No, we don't. So we're going to do times the height. Do we know our bases?
Yep, 7 and 5.
Okay, so 7 plus 5. All right, so let's condense this. 18 equals 1/2 times the height times 12. What? Yes.
Put like H equals then the number.
Just see.
Like, cause I gotta figure it out of this thing.
You what?
The missing heights.
I mean, this is how we're going to do it. So, so 18 equals 6h divided by 6. H is equal to 3 meters. Okay, so what I did, 18 equals 1/2. We didn't know the height, so I put an h in, and then I knew my two bases. Then I, order of operations did inside the parentheses. 18 equals 1/2 times h times 12. And then I did 12 times 1/2, which gave me 6.
Oh, wait, I still.
Okay. What? You got it? Okay. Good deal. If you want to go ahead and try number 5, you can if you got it. If you don't have it, what questions? What don't you get? Ask me. Ask me. No? All right. I'm going to assume we're getting it. Okay, the next one. Our equation should be 342 equals what? 1/2 times what? Times 12 times.
Would you just call it B?
You could call it, yeah, B works. B plus 31. Good. Okay. So what we're going to do first, 342 equals 6 times B plus 31. This is a really hard one. So 342 equals 6B plus, what's 31 times 6? 186. Okay, I'm going to subtract 186 on both sides. What's 342 minus 186? I'm going to go down here. 342 minus 186. 156 equals 6B, so then divide that by 6. And that will give us our base.
$26.
26 yards. I will never give you one like that. Just got to give you some hard ones, make you think a little bit. All right. Do I need to leave this up there? Yeah? Okay. Turn on one light. You got it, Ray? No? Okay, we'll go through it. That was a hard one. Like I said, we won't. It's a lot of algebra. I won't give you one like that ever. I think even like this one, I'll only give you one like that on the bonus on your test. Okay. All right, so our summary. What did we learn today? The area of what? Good. Area of trapezoids, if you have questions. Sample test question. And then you could do find the area. All right. Your homework are only like examples 1 through 3.
The last one.